How to use Shake Shack for corporate catering orders online. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So, are you planning a meeting or office lunch? Well, Shake Shack makes corporate catering simple and easy. So, now without further ado, let's get started. So, first thing first, open any web browser, and now here, once inside, you can just click on the search bar and simply search Shake Shack. And now here on the search result, just click on the first link and after that you'll be prompted to the official website of the Shake Shack. Now here simply log in with your account and once logged in you can just head over to the catering section and there you can browse the catering menu featuring shack burgers, chicken sandwiches, fries and group friendly option. So there you can simply choose your items, customize quantities, and add them to your catering. And once you're done with it, you simply have to enter your event details like date, time, and delivery or pickup preferences. And you will also find space for special instructions like setup, request, and dietary needs. And once you're done with it, simply review your order and then select payment and confirm it. And once you do that, you'll receive an order summary by email. And with that, just a pro tip is order should be at least 24 hours in advance for larger groups to ensure availability. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.